Welcome back to Live from the Camper. My name's Tony, and this is part 2 on how to be an MVP of your Super Bowl party. The next recipe is going to be bacon cheeseburger empanadas. Ooh-wee! Doesn't that sound delicious? Well, let's get cooking. To make the ultimate finger food, bacon cheeseburger empanadas, you're going to need all this deliciousness right here. So let's go through it. Ketchup and mustard, duh. Salt and pepper, American cheese, the little Goya discs, bacon. Ooh, we're going to use bacon and a few more too, so we're going to cook enough for each one of these recipes. Some butter, onion, garlic powder, minced garlic, pickles. What am I missing? Nothing. Yes. All right, let's get started. Let's make up some of this bacon. Now we're going to need it for a couple more recipes, so let's make enough for all of it now. We're going to use the air crisp basket and, of course, the Ninja Foodi. Place that crisper basket right into the pot. We're going to take some bacon, cut it in half, and lay it in the crisper basket. Let's go ahead and put that bacon in the air crisp basket. We cut it in half. All right, that bacon doesn't have to be super pretty because we're going to chop it all up. Air crisp, 360, 12 minutes. Start. After 11 minutes, I checked it and it's good to go. Come check this out. That is perfect for chopping up to put on all of our recipes. All right, all the bacon is done. I mean, it's perfect. Of course, it smells amazing in here. Know what I love about this? I cooked it right in here, not on the stovetop. Grease didn't splatter everywhere, and it didn't cook in its own grease. It actually dripped on down to the bottom. Come check it out. Now we have to cook up some onions. So guess what we're gonna use? Oh yeah, that grease there. Now we don't need that much grease, so we're going to take some of it out, but we're going to use about 2 tablespoons of it to cook our onions. We need to chop up half an onion. Here's a cool little trick on how to do that. Just make you some chops on the top of it. Now go across those chops. And turn it on its side. And look at that, perfectly chopped onion. Half an onion. Go ahead and hit that saute feature and put in those onions. Now let's brown up these onions. Now that the onions are brown, drop in a tablespoon of garlic. Now let's add that ground beef. Let's hit it with a little salt and pepper. Looks like that ground is all browned. Let's take it out and put it in a bowl. Let's put these empanadas together. We're going to crumble up a little of the bacon and slice up a little of the pickle. Next, let's crumble the bacon. Let's get a little flour on that plate so the discs don't stick. Use your thawed out small discs. Throw down your disc. Add a little of that meat mixture. Little bacon. Cheese. And a pickle. Kind of get your fingers a little wet so you can hit that seam. It'll help it seal. Then use a fork, press it down. And there it is. Now melt a little butter. Put a little garlic powder on it. And mix it up, because we're going to put that on top of the empanadas. Put your empanadas in. I'm only making 2. You could probably fit 4 in there. Get that garlic butter, put it on top. And now we're going to air crisp at 375 for 8 minutes. All right, the timer went off and they're done. Ooh, hot. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Let's cut one open and take a look. Ooh, look at that. Looks just like a cheeseburger, but in an empanada. Now for dipping, I'm gonna put a little mustard and a little ketchup. That was the ketchup bottle, I promise. Look at that. All right, let's give it a try. Little mustard, little ketchup. It tastes just like a cheeseburger, but it's an empanada. You get the bacon, the pickle, the mustard, ketchup. So good. That will definitely win you the MVP. So now watch my next video as we do recipe number 3. Fantastic. All right, that's 2 of the recipes to become the MVP of your Super Bowl party. Throw out some ketchup and mustard like you eat your normal cheeseburger, and come back for part 3 of your Super Bowl MVP party. All right, that's 2. Too bad you were cussing. That made a great outtake. Cheeseburger empanadas and the spinach artichoke bagels. We're gonna put some dipping sauces on the side.
I'm here. Sorry.
We're gonna put some. No, I had about a gig worth of screw ups of me just going. All right.
It's like I come here and I screw everything up.
No, you didn't.